things we do for YouTube views. Hi everyone. Getting a flat tire is always a major disappointment, but what's also more disappointing is the fact that more and more cars nowadays do not come with a spare tire. So you are left with a solution of putting this gooey fix-a-flat substance in your tire, which doesn't allow you to drive fast, doesn't necessarily fix the problem very well, and a lot of times warrants a complete replacement of your tire. But of course, today I have a solution to this problem, which not only allows you to fix your flat tire on the go rather quickly, but allows you to drive as fast as you want after this and does not warrant a complete tire replacement. And my solution is the following. It's this kit that I pieced together from various different pieces I found online, which in my mind will give you a complete peace of mind. So what do we have here? First and foremost, we have this box here, and what's in this box? This is a complete fix-a-flat kit. So if you get a puncture, typically it's a nail or something sharp that punctures your wheel. So what this kit does is not only does it help you remove the puncture, but also plugs this hole. I'm going to demonstrate real soon on how to do this. This is very straightforward, but this is how professionals do it. If you go to a tire shop and you need your tire fixed or plugged, this is exactly how they're going to do it. You also need a screwdriver and a set of needle nose pliers to pull anything that can be stuck in your tire. And last but not least, you will need some sort of a pump, and in my case I went with this one. I've done a lot of research and I found this on Amazon. I'm actually going to link everything that you see in this video on in the description, but this pump is awesome. It's got fantastic reviews. Actually, that's one of the reasons, or the main reason why I got it. It's made by Avid Power, and what this allows you to do is it allows you to pump up your tire, or anything else for that matter. You can actually set the maximum PSI. You can set it and forget it. Once it reaches the maximum PSI, it shuts off and you are good to go. Now, the beauty of this unit is the fact that it comes with a rechargeable battery, so you can charge it, or you can have it stored in your bag, and it's always good to go. But if you're worried about this battery losing charge, fear no more, because this kit also comes with this charger that plugs in to your cigarette lighter. So you can have the battery plugged in here and the pump plugged into the battery and use it at the same time, so it'll never leave you stranded. And to put my money where my mouth is, I'm going to take this nail and I'm going to impale this tire with it. Actually, tires will be hurt in the making of this video, but this is a very spent track tire that's been through a lot of heat cycles, and I will no longer be using it at the track, so it's perfect for demonstrating my purpose. I am going to grab this nail, and the things we do for YouTube views. All right, as you can tell, the nail is through the tire, and now I'm going to show you how to take it out and fix it on the go. So with the nail embedded in the tire, you can take it out in two different ways. A lot of times you can just pry it with a screwdriver, especially if it's stuck deep in there. But a lot of times needle nose pliers really help. And once again, everything I'm using I'm going to link in the description, and check this out. So you just learn how to wiggle it. Also, you can use a screwdriver to help you leverage the nail. And the nail is out, and obviously now we have a hole which would let air escape. And now we're going to grab this kit, which by the way looks amazing in the sun. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this guy to make the hole bigger. Yes, that's right. You want to make it bigger, you want to make it uniform in order for the hole to accept these plugs. And before you do that, you take this gooey substance, I think it's some sort of lube, you put it at the tip so it slides better and easier. Easy there. And it's through. As you can tell on this side, this is what it looks like. The plug is completely through. So now we're going to take it out and go in and out a few more times just to clean the hole. We are done with this tool. Now, the next step is the fun step, because we take one of these plugs and we take this extra tool. And the way this works is you pick it up, it's very gooey, you take it off, see? And what you do is you want to stick it down here in the middle, kind of split it in the middle. And the idea is the following: you're going to insert it as deep as you can, or until the tips hide on top of the tire. Yes, they can stick out and you can cut them off, but it's better that you stick them as deep as possible. And as you take it out, there's a little opening here that's going to allow you to slip this thing out. Now, it's important not to twist when you stick it in, because you won't be able to take it out. So you want to stick it in as straight as possible. There we go. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside once you stick it in. You see, it's still being held by this little tool here, but once we take it out, it's going to escape through this opening. So again, so now you take it out, and voila, this will completely plug the hole, and you don't have to use any knives, you don't have to cut anything. This will completely drive over once you start driving. And the beauty of it is you can start filling up the tire and be good to go, and be almost guaranteed that there will be no leaks. If there are leaks, if you did it incorrectly by whatever reason, you can redo this. You can see how simple it is. And just to demonstrate what it looks like on the inside, again, this little ball forms here. It completely seals any opening that you may have to give you a worry-free and almost a guaranteed fix. Now, if you wonder, how can you plug your tire without removing the wheel? It's pretty straightforward. You have a lot of surface here. With the front wheel, it's easy. You can turn the wheel and the wheel is exposed. With the back one, you can drive forward and find the nail and stick it out from this side. So it's pretty straightforward. But once you are finished fixing and plugging it, the time is to pump up the tire. And now we're gonna put my lovely tool to the test. And with it, let's see. So you turn it on, and I have it set to get me to 40 psi. So it's as easy as plugging it in, hitting the start button, and waiting for it to reach 40 psi and shut off. And we're done. This is how simple it is. And the beauty of my solution is the fact that once you're done fixing your tire, you can easily stick it in the trunk and actually carry it in the trunk all the time. Because with this car, for example, look, this fits perfectly here, or the back can fit either in this net, or if you want, you stick it up and fit everything in here. Oh yeah. So I hope this video allows you to relax the next time you take that long trip and worry about getting a flat tire and getting stuck on the side of the road. Everything I featured in this video is linked down in the description, so if you want to buy it, it's there ready for you. But let me know what you think of this solution by commenting down below. And if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, maybe subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. Don't allow you to drive fast or... But since you're watching this video, today I have a solution to this problem. And keeps the tire So I hope this video will give you a bit of peace of mind.